Okay, good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon. Now, here our same concept, the remaining problems, what are there, we are going to discuss now. Our topic name is sets. In sets, exercise 2.2, question number 4. This problem is quite different to other problems. So, I selected this problem to discuss in front of you now. If A and B are two sets, what is said? A and B are two sets, and what is said? A is subset to B. A is subset to B means what? What are the elements in set A? These all the elements are belongs to B. So that is A subset B. Then what we have to find? Find A union B and A intersection B we have to find. Okay? You got it? One more time. A and B are the two sets. And A is subset to B. Means the all the elements of A are in set B. Then we have to find A union B and A intersection B. Shall we take now two sets? Just I am taking here. Let A is equal to, I am taking a set that is 3, 5, 7, 9 I have taken. Set here I have taken that 3, 5, 7, 9. This all the elements has to be represented in a set B, and some more elements also you can take in set B. Now I am taking here B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all. Here A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 I have taken. B is equal to I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 I have taken. What is the question here? A is subset to B, means all the elements of A are belongs to B. In A what is there? 3 is there. It is there in B also. 5. It is in B. 7 is in B. 9 is in B. So these are the elements which are in A, all are in set B. Now what we have to find? We have to find A union B. A union B. In previous class we learned the union of sets. Now we learn A union B. A union B are the two sets. Set A union set B. Set A means 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. Union B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our concept is union. Union means all the elements we have to take together. That is equal set of union of A and B we are doing now. Means all the elements of A and all the elements of B we have to take together, and which is repeated we have to take only once only. 1. Okay, next one is 2. 3 is repeated, take only one time. 3. Next 4. 5 is repeated, take only one time. 6, only once. 7 is repeated, so take only one time. Next one is 8. Next one is 9, it is also repeated, and the last one is 10. So here one more time listen here. A and B are the two sets. A is subset to B. Now we have to find A union B. Subset means all the elements of A are in set B. So I have taken set A, that is 3, 5, 7, 9 I have taken, and B I have taken 1 to 10 I have taken. Now union of A and B I find. So A union B is equal to set A union set B. Union means we have to take the elements together, but which is repeated in two sets, we have to take only once. So that is we can take now together 1, 2, 3. 3 is repeated in two sets, we take only once. 4, 4 is from set B, you can take as usual. 5 repeated, take only once. 6, it is from B. 7, it is in A and B both set, you take only once. Next one is 8, it is from B set. Next one is 9, repeated in two sets, you take only once. And in set B, one more number is there, 10, that is also we can take here. Now this is A union B. Once we get the concept now, A and B are the two sets and A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to what you got. Means here we got A union B is equal to, say, A union B is equal to, here set B is there, this is the union. Now these two are same or not? So we can say A union B is equal to B. That's all. This is A union B. The next concept is that A intersection B. Now here intersection means we have to take the common elements of A and B. So once look at the board, just I am going to take now A intersection B. A intersection B. Set A is there, that is 3, 5, 7, 9. The next one is intersection. This is set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements are there. Now we are taking here intersection. Intersection means you must take the common elements from the two sides. In these two sides, which are the common elements? Here 3 is there, here also 3 is there. Next 5, 5, 7, 7, 9 and 9. From these two sides, only 4 elements are repeated. So take these 4 elements. 3, next one is 5, 7, 9. Now A intersection B, we have to find A intersection B. This is set A, symbol intersection, set B. So intersection means we have taken the common elements. When we have taken the common elements, we got 3, 5, 7, 9. That means here we can write therefore A intersection B is equal to what we got here, A. That's all. Means here A union B, A intersection B, two concepts we have taken, but the condition is that A is subset to B. When A is subset to B, then A union B is equal to B and A intersection B is equal to A. Now these are the problems which is based on the sets. In this concept, if you get any doubt, you can reply us through the comments, and I will give a solution also. Today your homework is exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2, problems are there. You have to complete these problems, and on this same way we have one more concept, that is Venn diagrams. So here, what is a Venn diagram? Right now we discuss unions, intersections, and the difference of two sets we discuss. The same sets, if you want to represent in Venn diagram, how we can represent, just we discuss now. The concept is Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams of two sets. Now we applied union of two sets, intersection of two sets, and difference of two sets. This is the same concept. If you want to represent in a Venn diagram, how we can represent this concept we will learn now. I am taking the question number 1, Venn diagram for A union B. A union B. A and B are the two sets. If you want to represent this information in Venn diagram, first of all, we have to draw a rectangular box. It indicates a universal. So this you can represent with a capital U, or we can represent with mu also. Now take one set A. This is A. Means the information what is there in A completely we can mention in this set. Next one is B. This is B. A and B are the two different sets. Now we have to find union of these two sets. Union means we know that we have to take together. That means all the elements of A and all the elements of B we have to take, and which is repeated, that particular element we have to take only once. So this is we can represent in this way now. A union B means completely you share these two sets. That means what we are taking all the elements from A as well as all the elements from B. All the elements of these two sets has taken together. So this is A union B Venn diagram. Okay. The next one we can go for the A intersection B. Okay. One more time look here. A union B. Set A, set B. This is A. This is B. So here union is there. Union means we know we have to take together. We have to take together. That means the elements of A, elements of B, we have to take all the elements. Sir, what is this overlapping? Overlapping means here which numbers or which elements are common in two sets. Those elements we can represent in this one. If you want, I will give one more numerical example for this also. Now you can take here set. One example, you can take A is equal to set of A, B, C, D, E you can take. Next one is B is equal, you can take another set, that is A, E, I, O, U. See, set A is A, B, C, D, E I have taken. Set B is A, E, I, O, U I have taken. These two are the two different sets. If you want to write now A union B, how to write? Union means we know we have to take together. In this diagram, if you want to represent these elements, see, this is set A, this is set B. This is the overlapping part is 0, this is the common part. Means which are the common elements in A and B we have to represent here. So the same diagram I am drawing here. This is universal set. This is A. Next one is set B. Here you can represent all the elements of A. Here you can represent all the elements of B. So here in this concept, A and B are the two different sets. Any common elements is there or not? Once check in these two sets. A, it is there. B, it is not common. C is not common. D is not common. E is common. So which are the common elements here? A and E. These two are common. So which are the common? These common elements you represent where we have taken these two sets, and these two sets where they overlap, there you can take common elements. That is A and E are common. In set A, remaining elements what are there? Here A and E we have taken. Remaining are C, D, E are there. So the remaining elements you can represent here B, C, D. Now once look at the board. Set A, B, C, D, E. These all the elements are represented here or not? Once check here. In set A is there, B is there, C is there, D is there, and E also is there. Now in the same way, the elements of B also we have to represent in set B. Now in set B already here we have 5 elements A, E, I, O, U. But in this one A and E we have taken already. So remaining what are they? I, O, U. I, O, U. Now once look at the board. A. What are the elements? A, B, C, D, E. These are the elements we represent in this set or not? Yes. A, B, C, D, E. Are they? Next one, set B. What are the elements here? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the elements are we represent in set B or not? Once we have to check. A, E, I, O, U. Means here which elements are common? We have taken only ones. Now if you want to write A union B, what do you write? A union B is A, B, C, D, E, I, O, U we can write. So this information we can represent through the diagram, that is Venn diagram. So this is the information to find the Venn diagrams through the sets through the Venn diagrams. Okay. Here one more concept I would like to give to you. This is a homework to you, that is X intersection Y. Just to try this today. Tomorrow I will give this explanation to you. In these two ways you try. You take any set X, your wish, numbers or variables or names or whatever one you can take. Y also you can take any set. And you take these two different sets and find the X intersection Y through Venn diagram. Thank you.